Well, we're embarking on a quest to get the HDMI cord from Target. Nice. Because where do you buy a HDMI cord? Hey, look, there's a bean. What's that all about, Madison?
Oh, wow.
Why is there a bean? Jelly, what the heck? It's just a random bean.
Might need to research that.
From
That's
Chicago to Manhattan. Bean, bean, bean. What do you mean, bean? This up. Run! Run! Babe, seriously. It's gonna change. Run! Oh shit.
Cool. Should have been recording, so you almost fell on your ass.
Don't worry, I was recording the whole time, Schmo.
That was kind of funny. The poor thing.
Yeah, like you really care. How long are we on this for?
What? Until Murray.
Whoa! Look at that. Babe, where are we? That is freaking cool. Where are we at?
StudioTwentySeven? What is that?
What?
StudioTwentySeven.
Oh, just an art.
Significant.
Is it an art
Okay.
gallery?
StudioTwentySeven. Huh. I don't know, I haven't heard of it. Looks cool. There he is. It's Joe. It's Joe, 100% it's him. In the flesh. Can you parallel park that thing? Go for it then. Yeah, but it just started blinking. We would have been fine. Okay. Oof. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit chilly.
Feeling like home now.
Yeah. We're getting close to the home temp. Yeah. God, I'm gonna have to put the scarf around my face. The wind is brutal. So, we can hop on it there, thankfully. How far, babe? Too far? Let's get across this. Let's get across it first. She's got me. Dwayne. That apartment's cute. Look at
That's our
that.
jelly.
They got her all decked out up there.
Cold is deadly. Attention, New Yorkers. Miss Murray? No,
How many more?
I don't know. Not many.
You want to look? Make sure we're clear? We're good. Come on, babe. Well, don't be going slow. Oh wow. Little Japanese place. Hookah. Hookah, hookah.
Fix it, okay? And I was like,
Babe, is this the street?
no.
Madison, hold on.
I'm not going well.
I mean, I get it. They live here. They're in a hurry. Okay. We're okay. Not Lowe's. Bagel. Go ahead.
Can't really see.
You don't think the CVS would have it?
I don't know, we can check. Do they have tech stuff? I mean, it's a city, I don't know.
All right, let's check it.
If not, it's another block that way. And then to the right.
Shit.
Hey, look, Billy, insomnia. Straight ahead.
Turn right.
Can't hurt
There's another G-Wagon.
Hey, Billy, yeah, tacos.
Huh?
More tacos. Loves tacos.
Oh, the same place.
Uh-huh.
Huh.
Tacos number one.